Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and my trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and last week market closed around the crucial support of 2700. So we discussed that if market breaks the support, then we have support levels around 2690 and 267578. And after a market opening, we saw that market took support around the first level of 2690 and market going up. So if you have any buy on the chart of gold right now, you can continue your buy position. But yes, you need to book your partial profits as well, because this is not a trend reversal, or you cannot expect the upside to continue for the next couple of days. Okay, so this upside is temporary because today is a very important day. Probably you must be knowing that today is the inauguration day. Donald Trump and Elon Musk, these are two names that brings a lot of volatility to the market. And today is the inauguration ceremony of Donald Trump. And the reason why we have witnessed some correction in the chart of gold is because of easing tension in the Middle East. You must be knowing that gold is a safe haven asset. Whenever there is a crisis in the world, gold is always bullish. But due to the recent easing tensions in Middle East, we can see some sort of relaxation or correction on the chart of gold. But market is mostly waiting for the inauguration ceremony of Donald Trump, because there will be new policies, new announcements, and that will bring a lot of volatility, not only on the chart of gold, but throughout the market. So please be careful. If you have any ongoing position, use stop loss. And if you're looking for new position in the market, please be careful at the time of inauguration, because there will be lots of ups and downs. Beginners, new traders, just observe the market to gain some experience. Otherwise, this is not the right time. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, okay, you will see some normal movements and you can expect a normalcy in the market. From tomorrow onwards, okay, you can expect to trade, but today is a little bit dangerous. And if you look at the economic calendar, we can see today is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, so there may be some low volume in the market, okay, especially in the US dollar pairs. But on the chart of gold, we can see good amount of volume, but on other dollar pairs there may be less volume. But during this inauguration day, there will be some craziness. Okay, so let's wait and watch. And as we have already discussed in our previous video also, that before the inauguration day, the trading opportunities are little limited, so be careful. And during the day, okay, during the day, if you see gold going down again, because the previous support was 2700, after that market came to the next support around 2690. So if gold comes down towards 2690 again, then there's a high chance that this time market will break 2690 and head towards the next support around 2675 to 2678. If that happens, you can look for a buy around 267578. But keep in mind, after news, after the inauguration, if the market is crazy volatile, this will not work. We have discussed earlier also, when news will dominate, okay, these levels will not work. So if you go for a buy before news, that's a good call. But after news, no, you just need to follow the trend of the market. And before the inauguration, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure in the market, you can also go for a sell below this level as well. Below 2690, you can go for a sell as well. You can go for a buy, okay, and you can go for a sell below 2690. But keep in mind, for any breakdown, volume is important. Okay, hope we'll get some volume and we can go for a sell below it. How much you can expect? Initially you should be targeting 40 to 50 pips. If you see that the sell position has further potential, then you can look for 80 to 90 pips as well. But initially 40 to 50 pips only. In this market condition, before the news, 40 to 50 pips also good enough. And at this moment, market is trading around 2703, 2704 area. And if you're a scalper, then you can look for some sort of selling around 270708. Not for everyone. Okay, if you're a scalper, if you have experience, then you can look for a 20-30 pip sell opportunity around 270708. Why? Because the 50 moving average, you can see it was working as the dynamic support, so it will be working as a dynamic resistance. But the volume is good right now, so risky. So if you're an experienced scalper, then you can look for some selling around 270708 area. Otherwise, just avoid. And the rest of the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold is above 2717 and 2725. So if market breaks these two levels, then we can look for breakout. Okay, but as of now, chances of market going above these two levels are very less. So let's not waste time by discussing about this. Okay, so the overall the market is still bullish. So if you're swing trader, if you have been holding buy position, you can be on the buy position as long as gold is trading above 2700. But if you're looking for fresh position in the market, you need to be very careful because of the inauguration day, because the name Donald Trump, okay, brings a lot of volatility to the market. And as we have already discussed, already market has taken support around the first level of 2690 area. Well and good, okay, but you also need to book profits right now, partially at least. During the day, if market comes down again, if the selling pressure is high, we can look for a sell below 2690. And if market takes support around 2675, 7778 area, we can look for a buy here again. And experienced scalpers can look for a sell. Personally, I am not sure. Maybe I will not take. Okay, I will just wait for these levels only. And if market goes up, we can look for a buy at breakout. And to continue the upside, also gold needs to break these two levels, the black lines at the top. So to continue the upside, okay, if gold breaks 2725, 2727 area, we can look for a buy above it. In fact, if gold breaks 2717, 2718, then also we can look for a buy above it as well. But as of now, let's wait and watch. Hopefully we'll get a better picture by tomorrow. Okay. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.